Hello and welcome back to another DCM Online Academy. My name is Megan and today we're going to take a closer look at the DJI Osmo Kit here at DCM. So the Osmo Pocket 3 is a compact, powerful handheld camera designed for content creators, travelers, vloggers, anyone who wants high quality footage in a portable form. Lightweight yet packed with pro-level features, the Osmo Pocket 3 features a 1-inch sensor that can deliver 4K video and 3-axis gimbal stabilization which guarantees smooth footage. With its rotatable 2-inch touchscreen allowing for quick framing adjustments, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is perfect for any creator on the go. So let's take a closer look at what's actually inside the rentable kit here at DCM. So the Osmo Kit comes with a hard carrying case that houses the camera and all of its accessories. In our carrying case is the Osmo Pocket 3 camera tucked away in its protective case. This case is lined with a soft felt to prevent the lens and screen from scratching, which is really convenient. To place it back in its protective case, turn the Osmo Pocket 3 off so the gimbal centers and locks into its resting position. Gently slide the device into the case by placing the gimbal head into the shaped gimbal section of the cover with the screen facing down. Next is the DJI Mic 2 transmitter. Although the Osmo has an internal mic, you can choose to use this with or without the windscreen for clear audio in noisy areas. This kit also comes with a wide-angle lens that can be found in the bottom left section of the case. To attach, align the magnetic lens with the camera lens and let it gently snap into place. Also in our kit are 2 battery handles, one short and one tall, that help extend the life of our camera in field. And lastly is our mini tripod that screws onto those battery handles. Before we wrap up, let's walk through how to check out equipment on our website. Start by visiting denvercommunitymedia.org. From there, hover over the Rentals tab and select AV Field Equipment Reservation. This will take you to a page where you can browse all available rental gear or continue directly to the reservation request form. Once you've filled out your personal information and selected your pickup and drop-off times, you can choose the equipment you'd like to rent. Come check out the Osmo Pocket 3 kit we have here at DCM and see how it can enhance your next project. And make sure you hit subscribe for more information on rentable equipment here at Denver Community Media.